Greetings viewer, and welcome to the latest market update from Ajastro Maniguru. Today, we're discussing the current state of maize prices across major markets, where harvest delays have played a crucial role in stabilizing the rates. As of September 24, maize prices have shown a steady trend after a weak phase in previous sessions. In Amalner Mandi, around 800 quintals of maize were reported, with prices holding firm at INR 1300 to 1400 per quintal despite moisture levels between 35 to 40%. Experts suggest that due to anticipated lower arrivals in the coming days, significant price drops are unlikely in the near future. Moving to Jalgaon, Maharashtra, prices have remained stable as well. However, the challenge of securing supplies has emerged, with companies initially offering 2,300 Indian rupees for October delivery now finding it difficult to procure at those rates. The recent rains in Jalgaon have disrupted maize availability, making it harder for suppliers to meet the demand. Meanwhile, buyers in Pune continue to enjoy good supplies from the Nizamabad zone. On Monday, around 5,200 new maize bags with moisture content ranging from 16 to 22% arrived at Nizamabad Mandi, with prices varying between 1,500 Indian rupees and 2,531 Indian rupees. However, current rainfall, driven by a cyclone, is expected to influence supply patterns further. In Karnataka, prices held steady at 2,500 Indian rupees per quintal, with rumors circulating that 10 to 20 rakes have been sold for 2,300 Indian rupees for October delivery. Similarly, in Madhya Pradesh, prices are projected to open at comparable levels. In Bihar, prices traded steadily but with a slight negative trend, settling at 2,500 Indian rupees per quintal, reflecting softness observed in other regions. On the ethanol production front, maize supplies reached 201 crore litres as of August 31, with estimates predicting this could rise to around 225 crore litres by the end of October. This redirection of maize toward ethanol production is anticipated to reach 5.92 million tons for the ethanol supply year, ESY, 2023-24. The government's 20% ethanol blending target will likely drive continued demand for maize and broken rice, with a requirement of around 10 million tons in the upcoming year. In conclusion, the overall outlook for maize prices remains cautious. The continued rainfall in key maize-producing states like Telangana, Karnataka, and Maharashtra is expected to cause further delays in the harvest and maintain price stability in the near term. Thank you for tuning into Ajastro Maniguru. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates on commodities markets. Stay tuned for our next video.